back in the kitchen. I give a Chef Ricardo juice bar and salad bar. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching my show, and subscribe, leave your comments, and also thank you so much for, you know what I mean, sharing my video, and tell a friend and a friend, tell a friend. Anyway, today we want to make you a lovely, a simple, unique salad at home in your kitchen. Okay, it's gonna be leftover stuff where I have, and I decide to do something with it. I want to take the time out to say thank you guys for watching my video, and you know what I mean, I love you all, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, and we are growing slowly but strongly. Thank you for watching. Nice and lovely. So basically a little bit of mixed leaf, and I also have some green grapes which I'm going to use some of it and just cut them into half, and then I'm going to mix it up with that lovely salad. Yeah, it's very easy and simple to make salad at home, but sometimes it's good to do something different, you know what I mean, in the kitchen. And that's one of my biggest things I've been doing from the last couple of days and months, is doing different stuff in the kitchen, different ideas. Yeah, it's very, very, you know what I mean, good to do things at home in the kitchen. Yeah, as you can see, we're just using up these grapes, you know, because it's just nice to make a nice lovely grape and apple salad, and it's amazing. It's just amazing, you know what I mean. Yeah, so all I can see I'm doing right here is getting, you see how much grapes I've been using, and honestly that's Chef Ricardo, because you know what I mean, I'm not because I'm good at the knife, you know what I mean. Yeah, you can see this is amazing. You see how much grape I use, guys? Honestly, that's Chef Ricardo, and I'm telling you this. Yeah, I got 3 medium sized cucumber. Celery. Apple. Don't play with Chef Ricardo. Nice and lovely, guys. Amazing. I love this kind of salad. I love these kind of things. You know, if you use all the knife to cut them up, you know? Yeah. Very unique. Yeah, just use those two. Just use a hand and just fold the thing, guys. Better to fold the thing, you know? Yeah. That is beautiful and nice. It's better for you to fold the team. So this is a simple little salad of Chef Ricardo and the team. Got a lot of grapes and thing in it. And the apple. You know, so if you had a function or doing a function or something really fantastic, this coming really handy. That is a very unique salad. You know what I mean? Something different and something that you guys can have at home. You know what I mean? That's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. You know what I mean? When we say make you guys something really fantastic, lovely and nice, this coming really handy at home. Alright? Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus, and get to your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team today. See you next time. Bye bye.